Host, 4 years, we've wondered what would follow in the legendary footsteps of the R8. Today, we finally have the answer, and it is more radical than we ever imagined. This is the 2027 Audi NUVOLARI, a 1001 horsepower hybrid masterpiece that marks the beginning of a whole new era for Audi sport. Named after the legendary Tazio Nuvolari, this car isn't just a successor, it's a statement of intent. Visuals. The video opens with a high-speed cinematic reveal of the 2027 Nuvolari in a striking Tazio red finish, carving through a rain-slicked mountain pass. The camera zooms in on the ultra-slim LED matrix headlights and the massive, active rear wing that adjusts in real time. The sound of a high-revving V8 engine echoes through the valley. Host. The design language here is what Audi calls radical simplicity. It's lean, aggressive, and incredibly aerodynamic. Notice how the body seems to be draped over the mechanical components like a second skin. The carbon fiber monocoque is visible in the aero channels, and those 21-inch forged wheels look like they were pulled straight from a Le Mans racer. It's a design that looks fast even when it's standing still. Visuals. Close-up shots of the carbon fiber weave on the side skirts, the intricate aero blades, and the rear diffuser. The camera pans across the seamless glass canopy that flows into the engine cover, revealing the heart of the beast underneath. Host, and what a heart it is. Audi has borrowed Lamborghini's incredible 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 that revs all the way to a screaming 10,000 revolutions per minute. Combined with 3 electric motors, the total system output is a staggering 1,001 horsepower. It'll rocket you from 0 to 60 in just 2.6 seconds. And it won't stop until it hits a top speed of 217 miles per hour. This is officially the most powerful production Audi ever made. Visuals. A digital graphic overlay shows the hybrid powertrain layout, the V8 engine at the rear and electric motors at the front and integrated into the gearbox. We see the car launching from a standstill on a closed track, the exhaust spitting blue flames during rapid downshifts. Host, step inside the cockpit of the future. The Nuvolari ditches traditional screens for a wrap-around holographic, head-up display that projects vital info directly onto the windshield. The seats are 3D printed to the owner's body shape, and the steering wheel is a minimalist yoke inspired by form.